Northern Virginia, it's Cristina. If 2025 felt like the market was changing gears, you're not imagining it. We saw prices stay surprisingly resilient, inventory finally started to loosen, and buyers were able to get a little breathing room. Today, we're gonna do two things. I'm gonna do a recap of Northern Virginia and see what also experts are forecasting for 2026. When I say Northern Virginia, I'm referencing the NVAR region, Fairfax, Arlington counties, Alexandria, Fairfax Falls Church, and the towns of Vienna and Herndon. Let's talk about what happened in 2025 in Nova. We started with some real momentum. In January, we had about 833 closed sales, which was 8% higher than the previous January. Median sold price was $685, which was up about 5.4% year over year. And inventory was improving. Listings were up 28.5% year over year, and the average days on market was 31. So midsummer, we could see the market kind of recalibrating. In July, we definitely had a cooler pace, not a crash. Median sold price was $760. Active listings jumped 43%. As we went into the fall, we had the normal seasonal slowdown, but the storyline stayed consistent. Active listings were up about 45%. Days on market were about 29. So prices stayed strong, inventory expanded, and the market became easier for buyers. What are locals predicting for 2026? The early messaging around 2026 is balance. A Fox 5 DC report on NVAR's newly released outlook says buyers should have more choices. Sellers should see steady prices with moderate increases. Inventory is still not back to pre-pandemic norms. Fox 5 DC nationally forecasts cluster around modest price growth and slightly better affordability, mainly because most forecasters expect mortgage rates to stay in the low to mid 6% range and for inventory to keep improving. So here are a few credible benchmarks. Realtor.com expects home prices up 2.2% in 26, and the average 30-year fixed rate around 6.3. Zillow says plus 1.2 and predicts that interest rates are unlikely to go below 6%. So for the DC area specifically, Zillow's economists told TOP they expect roughly flat to slightly down home values in 26 for the DC area, while characterizing the environment as healthier due to more inventory and less frenzy. So what does this all mean in plain English? If these forecasts hold, buyers may finally get a market with choices and negotiation power, especially compared to the peak frenzy years. Sellers can still do very well, but winning in 26 will be about strategy, pricing right, prepping well, understanding micro neighborhood demand. So if you want, I can do a quick hyper-local version of this specific to your neighborhood, Fairfax, Loudoun, Arlington, Alexandria, using the latest NVAR and Bright MLS numbers. Message me and we'll go from there. Thanks, have a great day.